Hi, thanks for stopping by our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make this beautiful trifold pocket invitation. It features a Talavera-inspired design, and it's quick and easy to cut. Our download includes 2 SVG files. One is labeled Score Lines for the scoring stylus or wheel. The other starts with SVG. It is dashed fold lines already attached. No need to change anything, just upload and cut. This card measures 5 × 7 inches when finished. To make it, you'll need 2 sheets of cardstock, 8, 5 by 11 inches or 12 by 12 inches, and some glue. For the inserts, you only need 1 sheet of 8, 5 by 11 inches cardstock. I'll use the Score Lines version in this video. Once uploaded to Cricut Design Space, unfold the layers of the design. Look for the fold lines. There are 2, one on the folder flap and one on the pocket flap. Select each score line and change it from cut to score in the operation menu. Now go to the right-hand panel and ungroup. Now select each card layer with its matching score line and click Attach. Your file is ready to cut. Check that the cut and score functions are active on each mat. Now I'll choose my cut settings, cardstock for intricate cuts, and select the scoring stylus. I'm using 91 pounds pearlescent white cardstock, but 80 pounds works great too. Make sure your mat has good grip, and use a sharp blade. This file cuts beautifully, and it's much faster than more complex designs. For the insert, I'm using invitations I printed with matching digital Talavera-style frames. As a bonus, I've included those frames in the download, in PNG, transparent, and SVG format. Let's assemble. Fold both pieces along the score lines. Use your bone folder to crease them nicely. Glue the side tab to connect the 2 pieces. Then glue down the pocket flaps. Slide in the inserts. And your invitation is ready. We've also included a matching envelope template. It fits 5x7-inch invitations perfectly. You'll need 12 by 12 inches cardstock, around 65 pounds, to make the envelope. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more SVG projects, tips and tutorials to help you craft more with your cutting machine.